Hey guys, welcome to another math video. For this video, I'll be talking about the distance formula. So let's jump right in. Okay, so this is what we'll be doing. So we'll be taking a look at parts of the distance formula, and then we'll go through a couple of examples. Okay, so you've probably seen this before. This is one version of the distance formula where d is the variable for distance, r is the variable for rate, which is another way to say speed. So stuff like kilometers per hour or miles per hour. And then t is our variable for time. Alright, so this is the one, the formula you see mostly in physics, but we won't be using this one. Instead, we'll be using this one here. Okay, so the d is still the variable for distance. The difference is now we got x coordinates and y coordinates under a square root. And you also notice that there's exponents, which means that to find the distance, we're going to need two ordered pairs. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, so yeah, basically that's what I said. Used to find the measure between two ordered pairs, yeah? So let's take a look at an example. So we're going to find the distance between 10-2 and 2-6, and we're going to want to put this as an exact answer. Okay, so start off with the distance formula there, and all we do is substitute in our x's and our y's. And since we're going to square everything anyway, it doesn't matter which order you put them in, okay? As long as you put the x's with the x's and the y's with the y's. Okay, so next we simplify, apply the square, or exponent, I should say. Okay, add, and then from here we'll just reduce. And if you're not sure how to reduce, go ahead and watch my square root video, or radical video. Forget which one it was now. But basically that's all there is to it. Okay, so it's pretty simple to use. You just need two ordered pairs. If you need to go look at the example again, go ahead and rewind. Otherwise, that's it for this video. If you got questions, leave a comment. I'll get back to you pretty quick, actually. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.